Back again over the private lake. I think it's about 3 weeks since I've last been here, and the water has completely dropped. The farmer, he's been draining some water out to fill some of his fields up the top. He has took the water out. He's took the piss as well. Right, I'll show you this water. Look, it's like he's drained it. He's drained it. Well, 3 weeks ago, I'd done that video of me catching 3 fish. The first time I was over there. 3 weeks. Look how much water he's drained out. Oh my God. Oh, sliding down to keep it still a bit. So, that's what I was fishing there. And I was just fishing, I know where I caught these fish now, it's like just in front of these weeds. It's a bit stony, but yeah. Someone's been here and pulled all the weed beds up, which is good. I don't know about leaving them in the lake though. You can really see the surface, what the fish are feeding on. Look at that feeding hole. Look at that. Another one there. That's gone down about, it's gone down 5 foot, 4 foot easy. Five foot, I'm saying. Right. The only good thing, when it does fill up, I've just walked around the old lake. There's some great spots to fish, like underneath that tree. You can see all the snags. And over there, in that corner, oh, it's a lovely flat area to fish against the weed beds over there. Oh well, I won't be fishing in the bay area today, or all summer. He said you still can fish here, so I'm going to fish here. There's some nice fish in here. Not many people fish here either. I'm the only one here again. It's not a big lake, but there's some nice fish. Right, so I know there's a few fish in here, so less water, so they should find my bait a bit easier. Alright, let's get the rods out and give it a go. Right, I'm on this session, I'm using these bags. Quite big. I've been using them all last summer now, PVA bags, and I've done really well. Really well. And so it's about 4 to 5 inches big. I use a wafter. I find these are better actually. A 12mm wafter, size 8 hook. And the other one I go to is a barrel wafter on a German rig. But I find I catch more on that. A little 12mm wafter cell. Then on a German rig on a little barrel wafter. That is my go-to rig, but that is easy to tie, you know what I mean? That is a lot easier than a German rig. Quick, and a 2.5 lead, and that's what that is in the bag. Right, let's get these out. Oh, and that's the bags I use. ESP, that size, 60, 180. So easy to tie, and your rig's a bit straight as well. I like these big bags because you can keep your rig a bit straighter, not all so tangled, not so like, you know, it falls out pretty much straight. Right, let's get them out. Yes. He's ready now. Come on. Come on. Yes! Better not do that. Oh my god. Right, I quickly just got... Is that even in properly? Oh, I don't know what's going on. My spare net. Oh, it's busting. Right. Come on, is he still on there? Yes, he's on there. So that's my... It's crazy when you think you've been sitting there for a couple of hours and had nothing, and all of a sudden this one feels really small actually, but I could be wrong. Oh, it's a mirror. First meal I've had out of here. Oh, he's not that bad size actually, is he? Yes! Woohoo! Yes! No. Very similar size, 17.8. This one, 17.8. Oh, come on. Oh, what a mad half an hour. Whew. It was raining for a little bit. Now it's complete nice sunshine. Again, perfect condition. Yes. All right, let's put him back. Yes. This is the second one. 17.3. What a lovely fish. 17.3. Thought it was a bit small, but it is alright. I thought it was a lot smaller than that. 17.3. This is the second one I just caught. I didn't have nothing for a couple of hours and they just completely same time. Yes. Just give him time to rest. That's it. Give him a couple of minutes just to, that's it, he's ready now. There's one thing I noticed. These banks are so steep. Like we fish from this side and you fish like underneath them trees. All underneath the trees, it's a good swim. Like obviously all the fish hang about. I just like, it's so, the banks are so steep. Like if you don't get from there to there, that 3 foot. Oh, let me come out a bit. If you don't come from there to there, it's about 3 foot. If your lead doesn't hit there, you'd be rolling down the bank, like you'd be, oh, it's got the hook in him hand. You know, your lead will be rolling down the bank for sure. If you don't hit that 3 foot, the flat bit of the bank. So you always use, probably for this reason, pair, well, a flat lead basically. You know, even in my bags I use one of these. Or inline one. Well, yeah, so if you don't use one of these leads, a flat lead, and use a distance lead, that'll be rolling down for sure. No doubt about that. You hit there, and it'll be in a tangle. Bit of a definitely rolling down there in a tangle. So obviously, if you're not fishing long distance and you're fishing on the margins, always use a flat lead so it doesn't roll down the bank. Let's get this one back out on the spot. That's it. Nowhere near. That's better. I'm just going to show you what I catapult at. These 12mm pineapple from Nash. That's what I keep in my van. Just looks like sweet corn a little bit, don't it? So that's what I catapult at. I've always got them in my van. All fish like corn, it just matches. Looks a bit like corn, doesn't it? Fish on. Yeah, come. Yes. Oh. Oh, come on, be good, be good. 23.9. Lovely fish. Ah, right in the face. Love it, love it. Oh, it's a bit funny. What's going on there? It's awkward to hold this one. Yes. On the mirrors at the moment. I don't think there's that many mirrors in there. 23.9. A lovely Friday evening. Oh, it's been lovely for the camera, hasn't it? Oh, it did not be kissed, did he? Oh, that was my wife. Alright, let's put him back. It's pretty hot. Yes. On the solid bags. Woo! Let's put him back. Let's check his mouth out, so. No, he's been caught. Right, I'm all done, packed up now. I didn't have, yeah, quite a good session. Hopefully he'll stop pumping, there's no more, hopefully he'll stop pumping the water now. It ain't been going at the moment. So hopefully he stopped and he ain't going to go no further, because as you can see, it's pretty low, ain't it? The last time I was here, it's dropped. You know, it's dropped a good 4 foot. I think it's going to drop another bit just through the winter, just for the summer months, you know, where it doesn't get much water in general. Yeah, alright, well I'll catch you next video, and I'll do some day tickets, waters I think, after this one. Alright, catch you next video, bye.